We're going to explain how to reset your Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. There isn't a single reset button, like on some electronics, but there are a few methods to resolve most common issues that might require a reset. 1. The first and simplest is to try turning the washing machine off completely at the power source, not just pressing the power button on the machine itself. Unplug it from the wall outlet, wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and try again. This often clears minor software glitches. 2. Next, let's address error codes. If your machine displays an error code, this indicates a specific problem. Consult your user manual. It should have a detailed list of error codes and their meanings, which could indicate a more serious issue that requires further troubleshooting steps or professional service. Do not attempt repairs yourself if you're not qualified. 3. Sometimes a simple power cycle isn't enough. If you have issues with the settings or the machine is unresponsive, try a power cycle combined with a button press sequence. This procedure varies slightly depending on the specific model of your Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. Check your user manual for the exact button combination required, because there's no universal button sequence for all Samsung models. These manuals often describe a factory reset or similar process. 4. If you're having persistent issues after trying these steps, check the water supply and drainage to ensure the machine is receiving sufficient water and draining properly. Blocked filters or kinks in the hoses can cause malfunctions. 5. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it's best to contact Samsung customer support or a qualified appliance repair technician. They have specialized tools and knowledge to diagnose and fix more complex issues. Attempting repairs beyond basic troubleshooting can void your warranty and potentially damage your washing machine further. Remember always to unplug the machine before attempting any kind of physical inspection or cleaning, for safety. Referring to your user manual is crucial for addressing model-specific issues and safety instructions.